The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Oxygen O2 sensor is designed to replace the original sensor in your GM vehicle's exhaust system. This high-quality component is specifically engineered to detect the oxygen content in the exhaust gases, which plays a vital role in optimizing emissions and fuel economy. By measuring the oxygen levels, the engine management system can adjust the air-fuel ratio to the ideal 14:7 ratio, maximizing engine performance while minimizing emissions. Manufactured to meet GM's stringent specifications, this oxygen sensor guarantees a precise fit, reliable performance, and long-lasting durability. It ensures the same high standards as the original equipment, providing the same service life and reliability you expect from General Motors. Whether you're replacing a worn-out sensor or performing maintenance, this ACDelco sensor is a trusted and essential component for maintaining your vehicle's efficiency. Top reviews from the United States confirm that this is an excellent OEM replacement part. Customers appreciate the easy installation of the sensor after removing the old one. For older vehicles, having a good torch set to remove the old sensor may be helpful, but once installed, the new sensor provides seamless operation. To enhance the longevity and performance of your GM vehicle, purchase the ACDelco GM Oxygen Sensor today through the link in the description and enjoy improved engine efficiency and fuel economy. Don't forget to subscribe to discover more quality products for your car.